In this video, we will learn define a pointer to our integer array in C programming. So in our main function, first I will define and initialize an array. It will be of integer type, and I will name it my R for my array and this array syntax, and then initializes to some value such as 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I will define a pointer to this array that will be int and then star then pointer. It is a integer pointer to an array, and then set it to value or the address of first element of array. You can do that by my or you can also write this same line as star the star pointer, and then you can set the address of our array, that is my R, and also give the index of first element, that will be 0. So you will be giving the address of the first element of an array and saving in a pointer. So these both lines are the same. I will just comment this one, and now I'm going to define a variable size and set its value to be the size of this array, that is 4. There are 4 values in this array, or 4 elements in this array. So set it to 4, and I will have another variable I, which I will use in a loop to loop through our array. We'll use I and set it to 0, and then I will do I less than size, that is size of our array, and then increment I. And now I will use a pointer to loop through our array. That will be printf, and then I will use a tab, and I need to use a new line too. So new line, then tab, and then %d sign to print integer value of array element. And after this I will use ptr the pointer as a array syntax and pass in the index location. I can also use this statement over here. It will also yield the same result, just new line percent t backslash t and %d, and then I can use pointer as asterisk, and then pointer plus I. So what it does over here is add 4 bytes to the current address, and it will move to next element. This way we can loop through all the elements of the array. So, and this, the third line is also same. Okay, I need a double quote over here, and person sign D. We can also do like this, star ptr plus plus. That's mean we are adding 1 to our pointer. That means we are adding 4 bytes to the current location, and the next element, when we add 4 bytes to current, it will move to the next element. So first we are going to print the current element, and then move on by adding 4 bytes to it, or it's mean adding 1 to the pointer, or adding 4 bytes to the current address. The both are the same meaning. Also, array names are constant pointers. I will comment these lines to just print our array. You can test all these 3 lines. It's gonna save and compile and run. You can see over here it printed the array element for us. Now I comment the first line and I'm testing this the second way of printing the same thing, and I'm just going to compile and run and see if it works. You can see over here it printed the array element same like the first lines. Now I comment the second line too, and we will go with the third line syntax and compile and run. You can see we have the same result. So these 3 lines or 3 syntax are the same way to print or loop through an array. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.